Okay, I just got a great question. There was a setup I posted, a couple of setups I posted yesterday. A short setup triggered on break of here with a stop at the high. The question is, this was never filled, and what is the implication? The implication is different with all the setups, but this one in particular was a shooting star, and a shooting star is a failed attempt to drive the market up. So the rationale for this setup is that if the market has exhausted itself on the way up, then gravity should take over. Um, Now, what we have here is that both the bulls and the bears are weak. We have a very small range day, and that's kind of appropriate given that we're a day before the midterm elections in the US. Probably no one wants to take positions until that uncertainty is resolved. But ordinarily, I would say that a failure to go down is somewhat invalidating the setup. So it is definitely changing the odds. And even though it's not invalidating the setup because we still have an inside bar, I would personally no longer take that particular setup. Now, the other things that went wrong with the setups that I posted yesterday, I posted a long setup in natural gas, long on a break of the high here, but it gapped up, ran away with it. So we were right, but we were right about direction. This was all poised to blow up, but you can never chase a market that gaps up that hard. That's just a really bad idea to chase. Big gaps are statistically unlikely to fill, but even so, super wide range, really difficult to trade. That's one that you've just got to say, hey, we got it right, but didn't make any money out of it. The other one is US dollar, which is also very interesting. Now, this one is still in play. Oh, this one is just triggered. Okay, so a significant high, highest high in 10 bars, one or more lower closes, one or more higher closes. So we place our sell order here and it is not filled. We move our sell order up to here and eyeballing it, that is about the entry point now. So in this case, you get to readjust your position sizing because instead of position sizing based on an entry here, you have a slightly better entry. So this is a really nice setup. Okay.